Diversity tool. This is my Kleenex box hack project. I mean, sometimes there's nowhere to put your Kleenex box in your vehicle. Diversity tool. This is my Kleenex box hack project, DIY. Sometimes you don't know where to put your Kleenex box. It ends up on the dashboard, it slides around. It ends up on the floor, you step on it, you crush it. It ends up in the back, it's too far away. So, depending on your vehicle, now this vehicle has a small little console. This is a Dodge Caravan. It has a small console where the box can actually slide between there on a piece of plastic. This is my little prototype. I just took some cardboard and shaped it into this particular shape. So when the Kleenex slides in, you can use it. Now the objective here is to get a thin piece of plastic. This one came off of a storage bucket. You can use a old trash can, plastic trash can, and trim a piece off, depending on how your vehicle's designed. But I can slide this between the two consoles here, and this may be too much sticking out, and it doesn't take that much. I can probably trim this and still get it up there without damaging the canopy or anything. And you can always sand this down if it's too sharp around the edges. But this is how the box is going to set up facing the driver. It's going to be centered. And you simply change out the box. You just pull it out and put a new one in. That's why it's important to make this just right. The opening here, and the box to slide in nice and snug. And this is pretty much what it looks like when you're done. You just took some duct tape or packing tape to get it to shape up. Now if you want to decorate it to match your canopy, you can do that too. You can go to a junkyard and cut a piece of canopy off. I'm pretty sure most of them just let you have that. It's just trash to them.